Hi, my name is Abigail Crane, and I serve Blue Valley as the Secondary ELA and Literacy Coordinator. I want you to think back to your high school English class. Maybe you're in one right now. What does learning look like? If your experience was like mine, we read a book, talked about the book, took a quiz on the book, wrote an essay on the book, and then took a test on the book, and then we moved on to the next book. But if I'm being honest, I'm not sure I learned a whole lot. Maybe it was because I didn't like reading the book my teacher chose, and in fact, it's because of this that sometimes I wouldn't read the book at all. I just kind of fake my way through that class. And so I wondered if Blue Valley students today felt the same way that I did as a kid. And it turns out they do. We surveyed across 3 middle schools and 4 high schools to see how students felt about reading. The majority of students shared that they hated reading. In fact, they said it was boring. And it turns out that they aren't reading outside of school either, even when they're assigned books. Blue Valley ELA teachers know that reading volume, complexity, and stamina all lead to academic growth now and future success later. We want to change how students feel about reading and help them fall in love with reading again. So, I created a professional development series titled Creating Passionate Readers, where teachers learn how the power of choice in reading can transform the personal and academic lives of students. First, teachers identified some reading rules to start breaking. We decided that only assigned class novels weren't working, so we want to let students choose what they want to read. And since students aren't reading on their own at home, teachers committed to giving students time to read in class and to read for the sake of reading. We also commit to conferring with students about their reading and writing every day so that we can better understand what support and instruction our students need. With the support of our librarians, teachers began to uncover how to help students find books they love. We learned that if we're committed to choice, we have to mean it. And that means choice for all students, even if they need to abandon books, read graphic novels, or reread the same book over and over. We want to think about books in 3 ways: mirrors, windows, and sliding glass doors. A book is a mirror if a student can see themselves reflected in the story. A book is a window if a student can peer into the life of someone different than them and learn from them and grow empathy for them. And a book is a sliding glass door if a student has the chance to see who they could be someday through the characters in that book. Our goal is to end the stigma of reading choice and help students find mirrors, windows, and sliding glass doors in order to develop a positive reading identity. This is just the beginning of our journey. It's my hope that ELA classrooms across the district will find the love of reading again, and that this love will drive the learning in our classrooms. Thank you.